Okay guys, today we're going to be seeing how to create a Google slide. So first you're going to go to slides, and then slides, and it's Google Slides, and okay. Now here's how you're going to sign in. You're just going to press sign in, and usually get you in if you didn't already sign in. You're a teacher or a parent, it will probably tell you that part. So now we're gonna click new. It'll be like one sec, let me go back. Okay, it'll say blank presentation with a plus sign with different colors. Yeah, then you're gonna press it, and then so what you're gonna do, we'll make this video called, not video, slideshow called About Me. So what we're gonna do, right, about me. Now, if you want to make it look even better, or bigger, as I should say, you're gonna go up here, because besides, so it'll be here, it's going to be a box with a number in it. It'll say 52. Then it'll be a plus and minus sign beside it. If you want it bigger, hit plus until you got what you want, or hit minus until you got what you want. Yeah. But for me, I want it big. You can also hit and you can choose which size you want. I really like it big, so I'm going to choose 6. No, that's too small. I really like 96. So you can obviously go above this. Those are just so that you can see, but we don't need to right now. So now for the subtitle, we're going to put your name. I don't really want to share my name, so right now I'll just go for Shack of Stuff, obviously. Shack. Oh shit. Alright, Shack. Oh. Stuff. And then you can also change the color by highlighting it, by clicking it 3 times on any one of the words. 1, 2, 3. Then you're gonna go up here. If you're gonna go here, you'll see a line, and beside it you have these options. If you want to make it bigger, sort of, you can hit this. You can see what happens. It makes it look pretty cool. And you can change the color. Honestly, my favorite color is lightish blue, so I'm going to go with this. And it looks great. And now, Shack of Stuff. I'm going to make it my second favorite color, which is green. So now this looks pretty cool. But now, if you want to add a new slide, you're going to have to click off. So click here, and then right above it, you'll see the search and the plus. You're going to want to press the plus, or you could just press circle M, which will give you a new slide looking like this. If you want a different layout, you can change it. There are so many different ones you can choose from, but I'll just stick with the title and body. So the title is going to be basic stuff. Basic stuff. And then you're just going to write some stuff about you. For example, for me, it's I like dinosaurs. Yeah, and then you can press enter. And another thing I would like is I'm on YouTube. I can't really think of any more things because I have to make this quick. Now we're going to do plus again. And you can do another thing, for example, how about, fun facts. Fun facts. And then for this, we're gonna be like, I have a dog, and his name is Hugo, and I am 10 years old. You can also just say YRSO. You could also just say 10-year old. And you do this. Honestly, I like this better. It looks better. And yeah, you have all of this. And at the end, so I can't really think of any more things. So then I'm gonna do plus. And then for this, we're gonna go for layout blank. Now, if you really want to make this like fun, then you can do a VN thing. Honestly, I like doing funny stuff, and I like dinosaurs, so they might not, they probably have this added the GIFs, you can probably check, but they're most likely not there as it's not here to me. So I'm going to go to insert and go to web, search the web. But this is stock web, which I don't really want. What you can do, you can actually go here and search up what you want. I'm going to search up funny dinosaur. Then we can choose whichever one we want. I mean, honestly, you probably would have searched up something else. But I'm gonna choose how about this one? This one looks funny. So, no, how about actually this one? Yeah. So what you're gonna do, if you don't want to pay money for it, then you can just right click and hit save image as, or copy image. Copy image is better. Image copy. Then you're gonna go to this website called remove BG. It's a really great website. It's free, and honestly, you don't actually have to download it. Now you're gonna, yeah, so close. Now you're gonna press Control V, or you can right click and press paste. I don't think it's here. Yeah, it's not here. You're gonna have to press Control V like this, and then you'll see it's doing its magic. And look, I got my dino. Now it has no background. Now we're going to copy the image, go to the presentation, and press Control V again, which gives us this funny dinosaur. And then what we're going to do, whatever sort of funny thing you got, you're going to place it sort of somewhere in the corner here, like this. And then it doesn't really have to be funny. It can be really anything at all. I just like it like this. And then all you're going to do, this is kind of weird. So what you're going to do, you're going to press it. No, you're going to click it. And then you're going to go here. It's going to say replace image format. I'll choose an animate at the end. You're not actually going to have to animate it frame by frame. What you're going to do, you're going to press either flying from left, flying from right, flying from bottom, or flying from top. I'm going to go for flying from right. So then this is what it would look like. And then it just comes in. I honestly really like that. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add a text box. You're going to see here, if you click on the slide itself, just so you know, get rid of if you accidentally clicked on this. You're going to look through, and then you're going to find 2 letter T's. one's that big and one's that small. Then you're gonna click it, and then you're gonna get this arrow thing. Then you're gonna hold. Then you're gonna hold, and use your cursor to like sort of drag it like this to create a text box. I'm gonna have one that's how about this big, and then I'm gonna increase the size. Thanks. One sec. No, that's too big. We're gonna go with probably, if it's something that big, 30. So then, thanks for watching. Then we're gonna do that highlighted and probably make it big enough to 52. And I'm probably just gonna, you can also get a different font, which is super cool in my opinion. And it's going to be to the left of the size thing. There's so many fonts to choose from, and if there's nothing here that actually fits it, you can go here to more fonts on the very top, and you can search for really any font. So I'm gonna search for, how about let's say, oh yeah, this looks great. It's called Bungee Shade. It's a great one. Then you're gonna press OK, and look at that. Alright, I'm gonna have to make this a bit bigger then. One sec. Dude, okay then. Okay. Finally, okay. So then you're gonna put it so that it fits, but obviously this one doesn't. So I'm gonna decrease the size a bit. So then what you're gonna do, you can also animate these. So go over to animate, and then you're gonna see if it's on the top like this, you're gonna do fly in from left, and yeah. So then and then you see it's right before, so then you're gonna press. So instead of on click, you're gonna do with previous. So then this is what it would look like. So here's the whole slideshow of what we have so far. About me by Shaco Stuff. Basic stuff. I like dinosaurs, and I'm on YouTube. Fun fact, I have a dog, his name is Hugo, and I am 10 years old. Thanks for watching. It's pretty cool, yeah. But if you even want more spazzazz, then you can go into this. It's super cool. You're going to go into theme. It's like really useful. And you have all these different things you can choose from. What I like the most is, where is it? Oh, maybe I went past it. Oh, yeah, I went past it. Yeah, it's this. Okay. I'm going to have to decrease the size a bit. Yeah, About Me by Shaco Stuff. Basic stuff. I like dinosaurs on my YouTube. And then look, thanks for watching. It's a great one. Let me change this. But if you want even more spazzazz, just one sec. If you want even more spazzazz, then you're gonna go here to the second slide, not the first, the second. That matters. Because if you do it here, it's kind of useless. You're gonna go for transition, and then you're gonna do from none to cube, or really any other one you want. I like gallery, and I'm gonna make it here. I'm gonna say apply to all slides. It's probably gonna do it here, even though it's like, you know, because, well, I mean, it's useless. So this is how it would look with even more spazzazz. looks really cool. And I can show you what the other ones look like too, which is really cool looking. The weird thing, then it disappeared because it was over there, and now, like, that one was gone, which is pretty weird in my opinion. So now we'll see what the other one looks like. Transition. Now we'll look at dissolve. Look, so this is what it looks like. Yeah, it doesn't really show it well. That's why I like to do it like this. Okay, so that didn't work. Okay, so you guys can probably just check it out yourself. Honestly, I don't really need to do it here. And if you want to have even more pizzazz, like maximum amount, you're going to go to background color. You're going to choose any color you want, or you could go to gradient. These have cool colors. I'm going to choose my favorite color of this. Now it looks cool. So now I'm going to do that to every single one. And it's just, anyways, pretty good. And while I'm doing this, I can probably tell you about like how it really helps if you subscribe. It's fine if you don't, and always you can unsubscribe, really, because I post all sorts of stuff. I do pretty much anything on this channel, so just like comment what you want me to do. So I don't even know if I turned on the comment. Probably just reach out to me. Wait, let me show y'all my Gmail. It's, let me quickly go to, back to it. I'll go to, like, it's been possible. We're going to go with, so it's Shaq, uppercase S, now dash, uppercase O, dash, now S, uppercase S, T, U, F, F, at gmail.com. That's my Gmail. If you want to reach out to me, if you want me to, like, if any companies are watching, if you want to reach out to me to, like, review a toy, review a video, review a movie, anything, really. And, like, if any fans, if you want to, like, you know, reach out to me to do a sort of video, well, you could tell me. I tried to do it for my first one because, well, I mean, first video's gotta be first videos, so please subscribe. It could help a lot, but you don't really have to. I'm just doing that because, well, I really just want to grow a channel and just give people some pleasure. So if you don't want to subscribe, that's fine, but at least give this thing a view so I can actually see that someone was watching it. Alright, thanks. Bye. Thanks for watching.